In the charming town of Lake Geneva, your day trip comes with a creative twist. Today, we're exploring 3 unique spots where you can roll up your sleeves and dive into the art of DIY. It's all about hands-on fun. So grab your apron, your creativity, and your favorite person because this DIY adventure is just getting started.
So Chelsea, this place looks awesome. Can you tell me a little bit about where we are and what we can do here?
It's a DIY sign making shop. You pick a project online and then come in and we take you from raw wood to a finished product. We generally host pick your project classes on Fridays and Saturdays. We do more than just like the wall signs. We do trays, coat hooks, pedestals.
Well, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, let's go do it. I'm excited.
All right. I like this. It feels official now.
Yeah, it does. We're really woodworking.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am. Let's do it.
The tools on the table are what you're going to use to distress your projects.
Okay.
Great. All right. So hammer away.
Hammer away.
Let's do it. Oh boy.
Ooh, that was fun.
Yeah, I think they're distressed.
I think they are, to say the least.
So the next step is choosing your stain color. I give you gloves, you get a little stain cup, and then you use these little white rags to stain your whole project.
All right, I feel very happy with this.
Next, we're gonna grab our stencils, and we start with them face down. Hold the blue part down as you pull this clear part away. Now you get to pick your colors.
Ooh.
So you pick however many colors you want. You're gonna squirt them in these little palettes.
This is very relaxing.
I think I'm gonna throw a teal star like in here and there.
Fun, yeah, cute.
I think I'm gonna paint mine white.
Woohoo!
Clean, Andrea. Okay.
Oh, I love
Cute.
it.
That looks pretty good, Andrea.
I'm really happy with mine.
Okay. Life is better on the porch.
Looks good.
Thank
Look
you.
at us.
Yeah.
Well, Chelsea, thank you so much.
Yes, thanks for coming in and seeing us. I hope you enjoy your sign.
Liz, can you tell us what Candle Mercantile is all about?
The Candle Mercantile is kind of a sensorial experience. We kind of send you off to our scent wall to start smelling the different fragrances, and you can choose what jar you're pouring your candle into, bring that up to the bar, and then we'll start you through the process.
I'm a huge candle lover, so I'm so excited to do this. How many different scents do you have here?
At any given time, we have 90 different fragrances out on our scent wall, along with signature blends that are seasonal, and then we always have our signature Lake Geneva scent.
All right. Well, I'm excited to go make our candle blend. What do you say, Andrea?
Yeah, let's make some candles.
All right,
Let's do it.
Okay, cake batter is one I actually would seriously consider.
That's nice. That's a full-blown Christmas scent
Wow.
right there.
Oh, old books?
Whoa. Okay, what about Fruit Loops?
Wow. You have to come and check it out because they smell exactly like what they say. Brittany, we're ready.
You're ready? Perfect. You guys are both working on filling up this ½ ounce all the way to the top with a combination of your oils. Give them each a little tip and squeeze so you have a little bit of each of the oils in. When you're ready to smell your blend, we're gonna use the back end of your spoon here to stir and smell from.
Ooh, let's see how it smells. I'm excited about that one. Give it a sniff.
Wow. Well, I feel very satisfied with my scent. You're a chemist.
I might have a little alchemy in my belt.
Focus your spoon to the bottom of your jar. We're gonna leave it there as you lightly drag it around that wick, back and forth, back and forth. Well, you guys are all set with pouring candles with me.
All right.
Well, that was so fun. Thank you so much for walking us through it. And we're gonna keep going with our adventure in DIYing here in Lake Geneva, and we'll come back in a little bit to pick up our candles.
Sounds wonderful.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so
guys.
much.
And to end our DIY adventure, we're going to learn how to cook a gourmet meal at the Lake Geneva School of Cooking. Chef John, thank you so much for having us.
You're here, Lake Geneva, School of Cooking.
Can you break down what you all do here?
Ideally, you sign up for a class. They're 4 hours long, and we arrive, we're gonna have a champagne reception, and then we go over the dishes. We usually prepare 4 courses, and then you help prepare the dish, and that'll be like 2 hours long. After the 2 hours of cooking, then again, we come out to the dining room. Then each team presents their dish.
Well, I am ready to eat and I'm ready to cook. So should we do it?
Yes, chef, yes, chef.
Yes, chef, let's
Right
do
on,
it.
right. All right, chefs. We're gonna put on an apron and a hat, okay? You're gonna wash your hands, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna cook.
All right. Let's cook.
Okay.
Good thing you took your lactate.
Should I put it in this one?
All right, I think our corn's
Okay.
looking pretty good.
Jake's going for first place. These two over here, Mike and Kath, are struggling.
Wow, you're crushing it, chef.
Thank you, chef.
Get that right.
All right, first course is ready.
We have a mushroom bisque with a cheese cup, grilled corn, and sauteed mushrooms.
With some chili pepper puree.
Here you are, ma'am. All right, cheers, chef. Oh, wow. That's really good.
Yeah.
Thank you guys all so much for being here. I can't wait to see what you guys have made for us. So cheers to cooking, cheers to our new family, and let's enjoy. Cheers.
So heartfelt. Whether you're here for a getaway with friends, making memories with the family, or setting the stage for the ultimate date night, Lake Geneva's always been the place for vibrant community and creative adventure.
Make sure you come here for your next DIY adventure.